The vibrant colors, decoration, flashy displays, and peculiar dancing styles make these birds extremely special and flamboyant. In our biodiversity, many species put a great deal of effort into impressing their mates. Some sing songs while others perform elaborate dance moves. Take for example Indian peafowl, who fan out and display their large colorful tail feathers in a ritualized dance to attract females. Or look at this greater sage grouse, which is found in North America. Males fluff their collar of white feathers to compete for females. In Australia, male kangaroos often engage in physical fights with other males to establish dominance and attract females. But none are more acrobatic, intricate, complex, and sometimes funny than those of birds of paradise. Yes, that is their name. Their outlandish looks and behaviors convinced our ancestors to name these birds, symbolizing some mythical creatures. Birds of paradise are found on the eastern side of the Wallace Line, mostly in the forest region of New Guinea, Indonesia, and northern Australia. If you don't know about Wallace Line, we have a link in the description. These lush green forests hold abundant wildlife, including our birds of paradise. There are more than 40 species in the birds of paradise family. Each one is different from the next. They come in dizzying array of colors, shapes, and sizes. Their flamboyant and complex plumage add to the mystery and their glamour. But probably the most fascinating aspect that has captured people's attention is the dance moves. Most male members of the birds of paradise family are polygamous and perform an elaborate courtship display. They transform their appearance to win the approval of a female. Take the case of this magnificent bird of paradise, identified by its peculiar curved leaf-like tail. Their courtship typically takes place on a sapling standing up from a ground. The male bird generally starts by preparing the courtship area by clearing the dead leaves, grass, and other twigs. Once the scene is set, the female will come and sit on the top part of the sapling, while he gently leans backwards until his body is almost parallel to the ground. This move completely exposes his underside, which is like a flamboyant green shield. His mantle cape appears like a yellow halo behind his head. The dance moves, colorful legs, and other embellishments add to the drama. Which the female carefully evaluates. While he is performing, other females may be perched in the vicinity, examining every detail of his performance. Ultimately, even after a brilliant performance, his courtship might fail. However, a few meters away, western parotia, another species of bird of paradise, for his elaborate moves, and methodical performance, got lucky. Each species has its special moves and styles, which it learns through practice and observing others. Finally, the dance moves of these birds of paradise may appear bizarre for some and extraordinary for others. But they are not being done to win a dance show. Instead, they serve an important function of evolution. Nature is amazing and it is important that we protect it.